In this module, we will explore a whole new level of creativity. We will use ChatGPT for content creation now. So we will learn how we can use it to create blog posts or articles about basically any topic, and we'll go even further. We'll learn how we can create video scripts for your next YouTube video, for example, based on the articles we created. We'll also boost our social media posts by letting ChatGPT create our tweets or Instagram postings. We'll also learn how we can write cover letters, CVs, or job offerings with the help of ChatGPT. And finally, we'll also learn how we can generate or create sample data. Researching data for specific projects is quite cumbersome. With ChatGPT, this can be done in seconds now. No matter which kind of data you're looking for or which type of data, so JSON, Markdown, CSV, or anything else, all this can be done with ChatGPT now.